Hey guys, we're gonna be grilling some, actually we're gonna be smoking some spare ribs today. We got a full rack of spare ribs that I already seasoned up, and I'll show you here later in the video. Just got my char griller going. I got the smoke box already all lit up. Here, I'll go ahead and show you that. I got hickory and apple wood in there right now. And then I got a little vapor pan already cooking up for me right now. The temp's a little high, but that's okay. We'll work on that. And we'll get cooking some spare ribs today. Let's get it going. All right, back here guys, I'm just showing you that I like to do a little base of charcoal, and then I did a hickory log and an apple wood. Of course, my son's videotaping for me, so it's a little bit bouncy. I tried to speed this video up so that you wouldn't have to deal with the bounciness of the video. But this is just preparation for the meat. We're about to show the picture of the meat here, and then we're going to show you all the seasonings that happen. So the seasonings here, pretty straightforward. Some pepper, some garlic powder, some salt, some onion powder, cumin, oregano, paprika for color. And like I said here, you know, typically you'd like a 12-hour overnight type seasoning, so the seasoning's all set in. And I kind of whiffed on that one and waited to the day of, and it still turned out great, but you'd like a 12-hour rest period. So now it's the back side of it. I didn't show this video, but I wanted to. Removing the back part of the ribs, or that skin that's on the back there. It's a really tough layer, and it'll hold the ribs together more and make it a lot tougher to eat. So you want to make sure you remove that. And these are spare ribs, so removing that from the rib portion area, not including the meat part, really helps with the cook and with the ease of eating. So there we go, again, a little bit more seasonings. Now we're moving into actually placing the ribs straight onto the smoker. I've had the smoker already heating up with apple wood and hickory this whole time, and here I am just figuring out which way I want to go ahead and lay the ribs down. Do I want the meat side towards the heat? Do I want the bone side towards the heat? And for me, I've seen a lot of videos where the first two bones of the ribs they'll cut off. So I said, well, I'm gonna put the bone side over here towards the heat source, and you know, see how that turns out. And so that's me just setting it up, holding it down for you, and letting the heat catch up and letting it cook. So yeah, this is about 2 hours on the smoker, looking real nice. Thank you, Chuck Norris, for that. That's apple wood and hickory right there. And then of course the storm started rolling in out of nowhere. It looked like a dang tornado was coming. Set up a little tent over my smoker. It was raining in this picture, as you can see. Didn't catch me rubbing some apple juice and applesauce mix I made just to sweeten up the meat a little bit and to also keep it moist. But at this point right here, I'm taking it off the grill so I can do a foil wrap, and then I'm going to season it up some more and butter it down. You'll see that in the next frame here. There you go, that's my little mixture. But that's my butter and minced garlic mix, as you can see. I rubbed the meat down with that, and then I went ahead and poured a little bit of water in there to keep the moisture good, keep the seasonings and everything, and making basically like flavor vapor. I mean, again, like I said, these ribs turned out amazing. They would fall off the bone, delicious, great cook. It was just awesome. So you just try your best to wrap it as tight as you can, so that none of that fluid leaks out. I feel like I did a pretty good job there. Right, next up, we're back on the grill here, or I'm sorry, the smoker. We got the full wrapped ribs, vapor pan. Got to fill that bad boy up, keep it going. Temp got a little high on me, so I'll open up the flute a little bit. Check on the wood. Just added a fresh piece of hickory there. So let me know, guys, do y'all add hickory or more wood while you're just trying to wrap cook it, basically finish off the cook? Because I'm not going for flavor anymore. I'm just going for the heat so that I can get the temperature up to the necessary degrees for the rib. So let me know in the comments how y'all usually do it. If y'all like to keep going with wood, or if you just go ahead and chunk charcoal on there to keep the heat going. Let me know. Appreciate it. And here you go. You see, checking the temp here. It gets up to 200. That's what I'm looking for. I'm looking for a 200 cook. Actually, I'd like 190, between 190 and 200, and it reached 200, and I was fine with that. So I kind of pull it away from the heat a little bit, just because I'm making sure this bad boy is nice and cooked, and we'll go from there. Alright, this is off the smoker, fresh, unwrapped right here. This is actually after 45 minutes of rest. I let it continue to keep its heat in there from the smoker, and yeah, like I said, those first few ribs right there, went ahead and ended up cutting those off. Yes, I did eat the little charred pieces there, and they were still very good. But here you go, like fall off the bone, delicious, just really, really good. You can see the bone just comes right off. There's the meat. I mean, just great. Just looking great. Alright, and finish it off with a nice Caesar salad, some homemade potato salad, and got the ribs with the barbecue sauce and a beer on the side. Hope y'all liked the video. Like, comment, and share. Appreciate you. Have a good one.